I'm Richa. So I was suffering from transphincteric complex fistula. I guess since Jan 2024. So back in my home city Jammu, I just got it checked, and they told me that I'll be needing a colorectal surgeon to get this treated, and moreover it was a complex fistula. So there no colorectal surgeon was available, so I was just searching where should I consult and where should I get treated, and through internet I got to know about healing hands. I just went through the testimonials of different patients, and how they had recovered, like after having 4 surgeries, 5 surgeries, they got like successful treatment over here only. So I came to Pune in May, and on 21st May, yeah. So on the same day I got operated, and I was explained each and everything, and the staff was really supportive, and they never let me get panicked or like worry. They were by my side. I also had contact numbers of doctors who were guiding me throughout. And today is my 4th visit, and today Dr.Ashwin, and he really has that healing aura, and I'm really very grateful to him and his team, his whole team, Dr. Farhan, Sister Tanuja, everyone. And today I've been told that I'm completely cured. I don't need any more follow-ups, and I'm really happy to go home. Really grateful to God, to the universe. I found healing hands and Dr. Ashwin.